Hello, nieces and nephews. I promised you I'd show you how to make my salmon salad, and here it is. All right. You have to excuse me tonight. I have a bit of a summer cold. Well, starting out, I want you to see that in here I have 1 can of salmon. I have about, I'd say a teaspoon of sweet relish. I have 3 hard-boiled eggs, chopped up some sweet pickle, chopped up some red onion. I've also chopped up some tomato. The slices of cucumber, I will show you later what you use those for. We've got some mayonnaise, and we've got some Grey Poupon mustard. You'll see what that's for. You'll like it too. All right. I also have some butter lettuce. So this is going to be like a wrap, how I do it. It's a real good summertime treat. Now, first of all, I want you to put all your dry ingredients in here at one time. Okay? I'm going to try to do this best I can holding this camera. All your dry ingredients you're going to put in here. I'm putting about as much onion as I think I want to have in it. And I'm putting about as much tomato as I want to have in it. My hands are clean, yes. The pickle I'm not going to put on just yet. Neither am I going to use the cucumber. Not just yet. Not just yet. Okay. Now, we're going to smash up the eggs. Reason you put all your dry ingredients in first is because that way you know how to put how much mayonnaise to put in. I goofed that up, didn't I? This will let you know how much mayonnaise you put in your stuff. Okay. Mix it all together. Now, I did take the skin off the salmon. I don't like the skin on there. No. And I also took the liberty of taking all those little bones out. Now, if you leave a few in there, it's not going to hurt you because these bones are so minuscule and pulverized from the process that they just disintegrate, okay? All right. Let me get this a good mix. All right. And we're going to add now our mayonnaise. 1 scoop. 2. Hello, Dina. 3. 3 good scoops. Now I'm mixing this in to see the consistency so far. You don't want too much mayo. Oh, and by the way, I deseeded the tomato because it'll add water to your salmon salad. You don't want that. No. Okay. Now that's just about right. Okay? You don't want it soupy. You're making salmon salad, not salmon mush. All right. Take you about a teaspoon. I'm not going to add all this of the mustard and put in there. It adds a zing. Trust me on that. I think I want some more onion in here. Onion, as Justin Wilson used to say. And some tomato. All right. Boy, we're getting fancy here. Big production. All right. Now that you got this mixed up, you'll see what the serving plate is for. We're going to plate it. We're going to take a little bit, put in each lettuce leaf. A little bit, put in the lettuce leaf. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not as neat as it could be. So you're going to eat this like a wrap. Put it in the lettuce leaf, okay? Do that all around. Okay? Put this in the lettuce leaf. Let's see, I think I want some more where? Right here, in that little leaf right there. Now, on top of each one, put your couple sweet pickles. Okay? Yes, trust me. The taste dynamic here is really good. Okay? Okay. Put some sweet pickles on top of this one. And I'm going to take what's left of this onion and sprinkle it all over, okay? And I might even do a little bit of the tomato here. All right. Now, move this to the side. Bring this closer so you can see. We take some more salmon salad and put it right there in the middle. And you can also do this. It's like a summertime party thing. Take your cucumber slices and put those around so you can dip up the salad if you want. Serve this with a lovely lemon chicken soup. Ta-da! So you just pick it up. I'm doing this one-handed, y'all. Like a wrap. You see what I'm saying? Usually I'd have this with two hands, okay? But you see what I'm doing? You pick it up like a wrap. Just like a wrap. And eat it, okay? Yes. I will show you also how to make my Greek lemon pepper soup. It's just like lemon rice soup. And you can add rice to it if you want to, or you can add ramen. I think I'm going to do that, okay? I hope you enjoyed this. It's really simple, y'all. And that's what you do with that canned salmon you get from the food pantry. Yes, sir. All right. I'm about to chow down. Till next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, email me. My email will be down below, okay? All right. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris.